Hi, it's Alex from Risk Academy, and in this video I wanted to talk about risk modeling and why it is absolutely critical important to know how to properly apply modeling for any risk manager, even in non-financial companies, even in government agencies, and literally any kind of business, even in small and small companies. Now, I have been purposefully tricky in naming this video because I actually don't think risk modeling is necessary. What I do think is necessary, it is necessary for the risk manager to understand the tools that are applied for decision making in your particular company. Now, what you will discover is that most of the organizations in the world use Excel for planning, budgeting and forecasting, or any kind of planning where uncertainty is involved. So that means the risk manager must be very familiar with how to apply decision-making tools in Excel. And Monte Carlo and scenario and sensitivity analysis seem to be the most common ones. There are probably other ones that you can apply as well, but those are the three that risk managers really need to know. However, if decisions are made in your organization differently, if a different tool is used for decision making, for example in construction it may be Primavera, it may not be Excel, or it may be Microsoft Project, or it may be a completely different set of tools like Analytica, for example, that is used in other organizations for decision making under uncertainty. Then what risk managers need to understand is how to apply modeling, simulation or scenarios to that particular tool that is being used. So what I'm really trying to say is that risk modeling is obviously important, but it's only important because that's what majority of the organizations use to make decisions under uncertainty, to plan, to forecast. Now, if your organization is using something else, then that's what you should be, as the risk manager, should be specializing in and understanding, well, how would you add uncertainty to that specific tool that your company is using. Now, I have a video on automation, and I suggest you watch it on the Risk Academy official YouTube channel, where I explicitly talk. The best way to automate risk management is actually add the element of risk modeling or risk simulation or risk analysis to an existing tool that is used by business to make decisions. And this is what I think is very important for the risk managers to understand. Understand what software or tool is used to make decisions within the organization, and then work out how to integrate risk analysis in that decision-making tool. With Excel it's easy. There are available applications that attach on top of Excel and extend the functionality of Excel to allow for risk modeling and risk quantification. Why this is important, and again I have a number of videos on that topic, is that whenever you speak to decision makers you have to speak the same language. So if they use a particular program to generate some sort of forecast, you should be applying risk management, risk analysis to that same tool to generate a new number, saying, well, this is what the number will look like if you add risk to it. I'm interested to hearing your thoughts. Please write underneath this video. For me, for now, thank you and goodbye.